Ever wondered how to properly clean and maintain your synthetic insulated jackets? It's not as daunting as it might seem. In fact, with a few simple steps, you can ensure your gear stays in peak condition for all your outdoor adventures. When washing synthetic insulated jackets, either do it by hand or use a gentle cycle on a front-loading machine. It's critical to avoid top-loading machines with agitators, as they can damage the material. Opt for a specialty soap such as Rivervex Pro Cleaner or Woolite's fragrance-free version, designed for synthetic insulation. Steer clear of standard laundry detergents, bleach or fabric softeners, and never dry clean. For drying, choose the lowest heat setting on your tumble dryer and remember to regularly check your garment to avoid overheating. And don't forget to inspect your jacket for any tears or abrasions, especially in high-wear areas. Repairing any damage with a durable fabric repair tape like tenacious tape. Cleaning synthetic insulated sleeping bags requires a similar approach. Use a front-loading laundromat-style machine and prepare your sleeping bag by turning it inside out, closing zippers, loosening drawstrings, and mating Velcro connectors. Open any foot vents completely. Again, opt for a specialty soap and avoid harsh detergents, bleach, or fabric softeners. The same rule applies for drying. Place the wet sleeping bag in a commercial dryer on the lowest setting, checking it periodically. Unlike down gear, there's no need for tennis balls in the dryer for synthetic sleeping bags. Some sleeping bags have a DWR, durable water repellent, coating to repel moisture. If this is the case, you can use a product like Rivervex Instant Waterproofing Spray to reactivate or reapply the coating. Finally, when it comes to storage, keep your sleeping bag in a large laundry sack, unstuffed, until your next camping trip. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your synthetic insulated jackets and sleeping bags will withstand the test of time, keeping you warm and comfortable on all your outdoor exploits. Remember, a little care goes a long way in prolonging the life and performance of your gear. So take the time to properly clean and maintain your gear, and it will undoubtedly reward you with years of faithful service.